Yes, good afternoon student. This lecture is for 8th class student. This is third chapter from English grammar and E part. Combine the pair of sentences by changing the underlined sentence on an adjective clause. Complete the pair of sentences. Pairs are given by changing the underlined sentence to an adjective clause. First one, a bird was trying to build a nest. It had been injured. We have to combine both sentences to an adjective clause. So first one is, look at here, a bird, combine both sentences, a bird which was trying to build a nest. Nest means घोंसला. Had been injured. Clear? Second, the structure can be seen for miles. It stands on a mountain. Let us combine both sentences. The structure that stands on a mountain can be seen for miles. Third question, Aunt Alicia is my father's sister. Aunt Alicia कौन है? मेरी फादर की सिस्टर है. She visits us in June. So you can write here Aunt Alicia, E-L-I-S-H, Aunt Alicia, who is my father's sister, comma, visits us in June. Number 4, the man is happy. I found his wallet. The man is happy. I found his wallet. The man who found his wallet is happy. The man who found, who means the man. Who is my father's sister? Aunt Alicia. That stands on a mountain. That stands on a mountain. What? The structure. Trying to build a nest. Who was trying to build a nest? A bird. Number 5. I will never forget the day I graduated on that day. Right? I will never forget the day. I'll never forget the day when, comma, when graduated. Graduated, when graduated. I never forget the day when graduated. Number 6. This book is very popular. It was written by Charles Dickens. The book which was written by Charles Dickens is very popular. Number 7. I like to drink coffee with Barden brandy. It is my favorite hangout. Number 7. I like to drink coffee with brandy. Because it is my favorite hangout. Number 8. The man in the blue shirt is the speaker tonight. I first met him in Canada at a conference. The man in the blue shirt whom I first met in Canada at a conference. CONFERENCE. Number 9. The woman is my mother. She has a orange hair. The women I am repeating 8th question again, 8th point again. The man in the blue shirt whom I first met in Canada at a conference is a speaker tonight. Is the speaker tonight. Number 9. The woman is my mother. She has the orange hair. The woman who has the orange hair, is my is my mother. Now last one. My cat hates dog. My cat hates dog. It is soft and sweet. My cat, which is soft and sweet, hates dogs. So now student, I explained E part, so you will try to join both sentence into single sentence and do practice in your rough notebook. Tomorrow I will explain what is adverb clause in next lecture. Thank you.